In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a PMO, Project Management Office, in Smartsheet to help manage multiple projects, track performance, and centralize reporting. First, log into Smartsheet and go to your home page. Next, click the Create button and select Browse Templates or View All Templates. Using a PMO template is the fastest way to get started because it already includes many of the tools and structures needed for project management. In the template search bar, type PMO or Project Management Office. Browse the available templates and choose the one that best fits your organization's needs. Once you've selected a template, click Use Template to add it to your workspace. After the template opens, review the included sheets, reports, and dashboards. You'll typically find sections for project tracking, portfolio management, project status reporting, and key performance metrics. Next, customize the template by adding your own projects, project managers, team members, and organizational information. Update project details such as project names, status, priorities, budgets, timelines, and owners. You can also modify columns and fields to match your company's project management process. To improve visibility, use the included dashboards to display project summaries, portfolio metrics, and overall project health. If needed, create automated workflows to send status updates, reminders, and approval requests to stakeholders. Continue updating project information regularly so your PMO dashboard always reflects the latest project data. A well-structured PMO helps standardize project management, improve reporting, and give leadership a clear view of project performance across the organization. That's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a PMO in Smartsheet for project management. Thanks for watching.